It is an experimental technique that involves altering genes inside your body cells in an effort to treat or stop disease. Is it stem cell therapy, gene therapy, chemotherapy, or radiotherapy? Okay, key term po tayo dito ha, altering the genes inside the body cells. Okay, this is what? Genes inside, gene altering. So meaning to say, we are doing gene therapy. Okay? Gene therapy. Anong ginagawa natin sa gene therapy? Isa po siyang technique na minomodify natin or ina-alter natin yung gene para ma-treat or to prevent such diseases. So itong approach na ito, this tackles more about genetic engineering sa ating biotechnology, di ba? So ito, nag-hold siya ng potential para makatreat ng mga different genetic disorders. Say for example, mga cancer and other diseases. Stem cell therapy is just what? Ano siya? Regeneration. Okay? Or nire-repair yung mga damaged tissues at saka damaged cells. Chemotherapy, cancer treatment na gumagamit ng mga chemicals. Okay? Cancer treatment na gumagamit ng mga chemicals. Radiotherapy, gumagamit ng high energy radiation to kill cancer cells.